So I found a nice little hack with your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. You can actually use it when doing video calls. So you could be doing a conference call on WhatsApp or on Zoom or on Microsoft Teams. And if you attach it to your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P, or when you mount your phone there, you can actually use the multifunctional module to do some tracking. So let's go ahead and attach the multifunctional module. It's currently facing me, as you can see, and I can trigger it to start. And then now during my video call, as you can see, my phone tracks my movement. So when I'm in a video call, I could be making some movements and everything looks well tracked and professional, as you can see. So that is basically how you can use that little hack with your DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.